Good day, YouTube. Hope you're well and blessed. I got something to share that I just thought about, man. Actually, this morning. We are living in a very exciting time, right? We are living in a time of transition. We are living in a time of where the old is dying and the new is coming. I don't know if you know about Eckhart Tolle, right? Eckhart Tolle is a guy that wrote that book, The Power of Now. Those that's in the spiritual circles will know him. And he also wrote the book, The New Earth. Now we are now in that transition phase where the new earth is about to take place. As we all know, when something new comes, the old must go, and it's very hard for the old to go. So it's going to be a difficult transition for some, and for some it can also mean a very exciting period because there's a change coming, right? If you look in the world today, and the change has becoming more intense since COVID started, right? We could feel it. We all could feel that, yeah, something is coming, something is happening. And social media also playing a role in all of this. Yes, distracting us and all these type of things. But there's a transition taking place. You can look at what's happening in the world today. Look at the mentality of man. Look at the wars. Look at the destruction. Look at the disorder. Now, when that is taking place, like I can even reference the Bible about the end times. We are entering the end times. And we are unaware, a lot of us are unaware about it. It's almost like when they say it in the Bible also, when he comes, he will come like a thief in the night. You see, we will be unaware of what's happening. You see, we're living in it because we live in our own bubbles. We have our own realities that we walk around with. We're unaware that what is going to take place. You see, so because it's almost like when you're in it, you can't experience it really because you're in it. But only when you, like self-observation, when you watch yourself from it, then you can see what's playing out. And if you have enough awareness to can see what's playing out, you can relate and understand that we are really approaching that phase in our lives. It's exciting and it's also very scary, because we don't know what to expect. We don't know how it's going to play out. But I can tell you it's not going to play out in a way that we think, because there's going to be a destruction, a breaking off of morals, of the way we used to live our lives. Like we can see it around us, the children of today are not the same like 20, 30 years ago. There's a difference now. And there's a transition now. People are changing. We are changing. And I think we are forced to change with these times because our old self won't keep up. There's a transition. And there will be those that's left behind. And there will be those that's taken along this. And those that can easily adapt to this, So the change is upon us and there's nothing we can do. We can't turn back. We can't try to make corrections because this is what it is. We are what we are. The same thing is, so we can't change this. But I want to encourage you today that have faith and believe that all is well. Don't feel afraid when you see destruction around you. Don't feel that you are alone. Don't feel that you're just a scared person. There's a purpose for you being here. And if you're watching this video, there's a purpose of you watching me, listening to what I have to say. If you can resonate with this, and there's something in you that knows. And if you've watched me up until this time, listening to me, then that means that there's something in you that it resonates with this message, that is in line, that's in sync with what is happening. So there's a saying, many are called, but few are chosen. And we are the chosen ones. Only the chosen ones will get this message. It's not for everyone. It's not for the masses to understand. You see, once the masses should understand this message, then there's a problem. Because this message is not meant for everyone. You know, it's only a selected few here and there that will get what I'm saying. That we are living in these times of today, and we will be victorious at the end. Okay? But we have to be bold. We have to be full of courage, full of wisdom to know that we are on this path, and this path will lead us to greater things. Okay? I'm going to share some of my thoughts on here. I know my other videos are random and mixed up, but it's just how I feel at certain times. So some videos will make sense, some won't. But what I'm saying is, follow me on the journey, like this video. I want to share more things about how we can change ourselves. Not that we can change ourselves per se, is that we can only do that by awareness. Okay? So follow me. I'll share some of my thoughts on here and break some bread with you. Stay blessed. Have a blessed day. I'm out.